Alright, yarn arrived today, and thankfully I have a big vehicle because I need to move it from down here up to my studio. Hey Cozy Crew, it's Jessica with Stay Cozy Creative Co. And I just opened up all of these boxes, and these boxes, and those boxes, and that yarn over there. And I'm going to show you what I got. A reminder that if you don't already subscribe to my channel, you can do so now for hand knitting and hand crochet tips and tricks and tutorials and yarn restocks like what I'll be showing you today. And shout out to those of you who are members of my channel who are financially supporting each month. It means a lot, and thank you so much, whether it's $1.99 or $2.99 or however much you're giving. It means a lot, and thank you for supporting my Cozy Creative channel. All right, I got it filled up. I'll have to make 2 trips. All right, well, before I pick up a box, let's see if we have room. Well, where we have room in the studio today. So should probably move some of this stuff out of the way so I'm not tripping. And then I have a different yarn shipment, taking my shoes off, that came in. So, okay, I should probably make some room because there's going to be a lot of boxes. Aw, I just came back to get the rest of these boxes, and look at this little itty bitty snail. It just rained a bunch, so probably came out. The world is wild. Alright, it was not interested in getting a red on my finger, and so I'm hopeful that I can get it onto a little piece of mulch and move it over to the garden instead of my box. Oh, seems to be interested. Okay. I think the snail will be much happier. Just put you down here. You can decide where you go from here, buddy. All right, after a longer than necessary break and some lunch, I'm finally ready to open up my new yarn. So let's go see what I got. So in case you didn't know, quick reminder that I have been selling yarn for years. And so I work with suppliers, actually directly with manufacturers, to get the yarn that I love the most and use it for my own projects, as well as sell it to you guys so that you can make your own projects. So I have a variety of tube yarns and chenille yarns and boucle yarn, which is like a tube yarn, but also like a chenille yarn, this pleathery yarn, so many different styles. So you can find all of them on my website at staycozyco.com. And let's get started opening these new boxes. We're going to get started with these 9 boxes here and see what colors are inside. This is velvet tube yarn in my color Fog. So it's like a really light, pretty gray color. All right, so we got more Fog and Blossom. So, or Cherry Blossom, I think is what I call it. Like a light pink velvet tube yarn. So pretty. I think I'm actually completely sold out of. Oh, I'm actually sold out of both of these, so these will be full restocks. Ooh, okay, more velvet, and this is in the wine color. So really pretty dark red. Also sold out of this. I was sold out of so many colors, so I'm glad these arrived. More velvet tube yarn in the color teal. There's anything. Got a full box of teal. Ooh. We got some bright flamingo pink. Also sold out of this. And that's a full box. Velvet tube yarn in cream. So pretty. Velvet tube yarn in mauve. So pretty. This is one of my favorites. Ooh, this is a new color. All right, velvet tube yarn in navy. So I've never had navy in the velvet tube yarn before, and I was like, I need to have this. So pretty. I love how dark it is. And another color I was sold out of. Great. Not true. I think I have one skein left over there. So grape, which is a really pretty purple color. Let's go check the other boxes. What are our guesses for this one? I'm gonna guess that it's a color that I already opened. So this is, I forget now if I call this one lilac or lavender. Either way, so really pretty lighter purple, velvet tube yarn also. And there's more flamingo in the bottom of that. Ooh. Okay, so this is a different red, still velvet tube yarn. This is the scarlet color. So this is like a brighter, little bit lighter red than the wine. Okay, full box. All right, looks like more cream and more mauve. All right, we got more of the cherry blossom. Full box of that. All right, so more of the fog and grape in here. All right, more of the lavender or lilac, whatever I was calling it. More wine. And what's this? I'm pretty sure that's navy. Unless it's a dark black? Is it? It's for sure navy. In the light I could tell. This one I can already see into it because there's a hole in this box, and this is going to be pistachio, which is such a fun green color. So good. And last but not least, for the tube yarn, is more scarlet and flamingo. All right. Cool. Okay. Now all we have left is the chenille yarn. So this yarn is packed a lot differently, where it's like vacuum sealed or shrink wrapped, and then wrapped up in this green, like papery, I don't know, like woven material. All right. So we got the sage green. This is a new like minty green. I'm guessing, I think it's supposed to be lighter than that, but we'll see when we open it. This is denim, sunshine yellow, tan. This is a new like baby blue. Oh, and then this is like lime. This I think might be like a coral pink. And then this, I can't tell if it's gray or if it's one of the dusty lavender like purpley colors. Okay, so we'll leave that there for now. So these colors, denim, this is like a new bubblegum pink color, tan, and then a new orangish red, burnt orange, or yeah, probably burnt orange, because I have a burnt red that I call it now, which is definitely more red. This is more orangey. Okay, and one more. Okay, so it looks like we got more of the sunshine yellow, gray, lime, and mint. So that's everything.